Amit Rohidas is a prominent Indian field hockey player, renowned for his contributions to the sport as a defender. His career has been marked by dedication, skill, and a significant impact on Indian hockey, both nationally and internationally. Amit Rohidas was born on 20th November 1992 in Birsinghpur, Odisha, India. Hailing from a region with a rich hockey tradition, Rohidas was exposed to the sport at a young age. His early training and passion for hockey were nurtured in his local community, where the sport holds a special place in the hearts of many. Rohidas began his hockey career in the junior ranks, showcasing his potential and earning recognition for his defensive skills. His performance in domestic tournaments and age group competitions drew the attention of selectors and coaches, leading to his inclusion in various state teams and eventually the national setup. Amit Rohidas' rise in Indian hockey can be attributed to his exceptional defensive abilities and his capacity to perform under pressure. His playing style is characterized by strong tackles, precise interceptions, and a disciplined approach to marking opposition players. These attributes made him a valuable asset for the Indian team. His breakthrough came when he was selected for the senior national team, a testament to his hard work and perseverance. Rohidas' role in the team extended beyond mere defensive duties. He also contributed to the team's attacking play, particularly through set pieces and penalty corners. Rohidas made his international debut for India in 2012, and since then, he has been an integral part of the squad. Over the years, he has participated in numerous prestigious tournaments, including the Hockey World Cup, the Sultan Azlan Shah Cup, and the FIH Hockey Pro League. One of the highlights of his career was the 2018 Hockey World Cup held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, where Rohidas played a crucial role in the team's performance. His solid defensive display was instrumental in India reaching the quarterfinals of the tournament. His performances during this period established him as one of the leading defenders in the global hockey arena. Amit Rohidas' contributions extend beyond his on-field performances. His presence has been pivotal in India's defensive strategies, helping the team adapt to various styles of play encountered on the international stage. His ability to read the game and make critical interventions has earned him accolades from coaches, teammates, and hockey experts. Rohidas has also been part of the Indian team's success in various regional tournaments, including the Asian Games and the Commonwealth Games. His versatility and consistency have been crucial in maintaining India's competitive edge in these tournaments. Like many athletes, Rohidas has faced challenges throughout his career. Injuries, intense competition for places in the team, and the pressures of international hockey have tested his resilience. However, his determination and commitment to the sport have enabled him to overcome these obstacles and continue to perform at a high level. As a senior player, Amit Rohidas has also taken on leadership roles within the team. His experience and understanding of the game have made him a mentor for younger players. His leadership on and off the field has been instrumental in fostering a cohesive team environment and ensuring a high level of performance. Amit Rohidas' impact on Indian hockey extends beyond his individual achievements. His contributions have helped elevate the standard of Indian hockey and inspire future generations of players. His dedication to the sport and his role in crucial matches have solidified his legacy as one of India's prominent hockey defenders. Looking ahead, Amit Rohidas' future in hockey appears promising. As he continues to play and contribute to the Indian team, his experience and skill will remain valuable assets. His ongoing commitment to improving and adapting to the evolving demands of international hockey will be crucial for his continued success and the growth of Indian hockey. Amit Rohidas stands out as a key figure in Indian field hockey, known for his defensive prowess and significant contributions to the national team. His journey from a young player in Odisha to an international hockey star is a testament to his talent, hard work, and passion for the sport. As he continues his career, Rohidas remains a vital part of India's hockey ambitions, representing the nation with pride and dedication. His story is one of perseverance, excellence, and a lasting impact on the sport of hockey.